our first hookup to power. I'm going to clean up the cable a bit more in a minute, but loading up for some lunch in this really, really pretty little campsite we've come across.
It's really cold.
Your shoulders on it, not for fun.
Hey?
Refreshing?
Yeah.
Good.
Really cold.
How cold is it? Just had my first outdoor shower, and if this isn't like that van life feeling, I don't know what is. Because now, van's hooked up, we're the only one in this lovely campsite. Weather's like 27 degrees, mountains all around me. Just had a shower outside. And now I'm gonna probably do some editing. Right, this is awesome, and it's day 2 out of 60. And we're here on day 3. 2. I've forgotten already. Anyway. Just about to unhook the power for the day. Nice and simple. Done. And we're at campsite 3. Sorry for the lack of videos during today. We were in Madrid, it's hell busy, beautiful, so you have a lot of cinematic stuff, just less of me talking, because I didn't give anyone much opportunity to, but we're at campsite 3. Really pretty. It's at the back of what looks like a caravan, like a wholesale, whatever, like a sale dealership. I'm now going to cook tortillas, catch you with the dinner process, I think. Cool, right. Can up some chicken. So whilst I'm doing this, I just thought I'd talk about today. So like I said, Madrid, absolutely beautiful, good history to it. You know, I only liken it to cities that I've been to before, like London and Barcelona and other places like Perth, and you know, but on the whole, not too busy. People were like happy enough. And you know what really epitomised how happy people were is we went to the park at the end, which was like said to be the equivalent of, you know, Hyde Park in London. So like peaceful, and everyone wanted to be there, and it was just a happy time. And I just thought that if that doesn't capture what Madrid is actually like, then I don't know what is. So if you do end up going to Madrid, hit the park, and I'll put the name and text on the screen now because memory fails me quite often, but I'll put it on text now. But yeah, whip this chicken up and you can join me in the next bit. All right, that's the chicken diced. I'm just going to put some paprika on it and some of this ominous chicken seasoning, and then we're going to cook it up. We're having fajitas using piadinas. It's going to be bloody yummy. So yeah, over this trip I'll try and do as much talking to camera as I can. I'm still quite new to it all, but I thought, you know, you don't often travel, well, most of Europe. So to give you some backstory, yeah, me and my partner have decided to travel Europe in our Mazda Bongo, a Mazda Bongo from 1995, but it's got everything we need. As you can see here, it's got cooking station, sink, fridge, the chairs can fold into a double bed, and we've got a full stereo with JBL sound system. A compartment up the top to put all your stuff in. It is perfect. And cheap, humble little van, and it certainly makes for good watching when you pull in next to these like moving hotels, should I say, but whatever. Yeah, so the plan is we're going around Europe, a few countries. We started in England, headed to Santander in Spain. Through Spain, I won't bore you with it. We end up back in England. But yeah, the loop is pretty awesome, and we hope to bring you every step of the way. Forgive me if my camera skills aren't amazing in comparison to maybe other YouTubers you guys watch for van life, but I'll do what I can, and I'm pretty excited for it. So I hope I bring the best out of the trip, and some honest bits too.